Pool cover pumps are a small but essential tool for protecting pool infrastructure, preventing water buildup that can stress covers and structural components. A good pump should balance automatic operation, reliability, and debris handling, while fitting typical installation constraints like cord length and discharge fittings.
List number 1. Little Giant Select Series LG-APCP 1700 1/3 HP. This premium class pool cover pump from Little Giant is built around a 1/3 HP motor with automatic float activation. It features a 1-inch FNPT discharge and a 3/4-inch garden hose adapter, a compact footprint, and a 25-foot power cord for flexible reach. Key attributes include an integrated float switch for automatic operation, a foam-weighted base for stability, and a design that emphasizes straightforward maintenance with accessible float and airlock paths for cleaning. The unit is designed specifically for pool covers, rooftops, and boat covers, with performance rated at 1700 GPH at 1-foot lift and shutoff around 21.5 feet, which translates to solid performance for mid to large cover areas. Performance-wise, the LG APCP 1700 balances automatic control with a robust build. The 1700 GPH capacity is well suited for medium-sized pools or rooftop runoff, offering reliable auto-on, auto-off thresholds at 2 inches and 1 inch, respectively. Given the 115-volt supply and 270-watt draw, it remains efficient for routine seasonal pumping without excessive heat buildup. Real-world usage benefits include minimal tool-free disassembly for cleaning, and the 25-foot cord reduces the need for extension cords or power relocation. Some users may want a higher lift if the water must be moved from deeper covers or elevated rooftops, but the stated lift and shutoff metrics are typically sufficient for standard applications.
List number 2. Pool cover pump above ground, submersible water sump pump, swimming water removal pumps. A budget-friendly option from Aggie Man, this pump emphasizes value with 850 GPH capacity and a 25-foot power cord. It shifts with a 16-foot anti-twist drainage hose and multiple nozzle adapters, 1/2, 3/4 NPT, and 3/4 curved nozzle, designed to fit a range of discharge setups. Build materials include ABS with IPX8 protection and a built-in thermal sensor to prevent dry running. Its compact dimensions, 16-inch L by 4-inch W by 4-inch H, and lightweight design make it easy to position on covers or rooftops, while the 75-watt motor keeps energy use reasonable. In practice, 850 GPH at up to 16 feet of lift suggests this model is best for smaller to mid-sized covers, or where rapid water removal is not essential. The 75-watt motor keeps costs down and reduces heat generation, but users should plan for longer pumping sessions if heavy rainfall or larger covers are involved. The IPX8 rating and auto-sensing features add reliability in challenging outdoor environments. Debris handling is aided by the mesh-like intake, though the ABS body is less rugged than premium plastics in long-term upstate conditions.
List number 3. 1 HP automatic swimming pool cover pump. The EcoPair unit markets a high-flow 5000 GPH capability with a robust 1 HP motor designed for rapid water removal from pool covers and related surfaces. It includes multiple adapters, 1-inch NPT, 1.5-inch NPT, 3/4-inch NPT, 1/4 GHT, 1.5-inch GHT, and a check valve to minimize backflow, and an automatic on-off strategy activated at 2.17 inches and shuts off at 3/4 of an inch after a 30-second run. Performance-wise, the EcoPair is built to tackle heavy rainfall and large covers, delivering substantial throughput. However, with a claimed 1 HP motor, real-world efficiency depends on the actual motor rating and impeller design. The brochure specifies 5000 GPH, which is excellent for quick clearance, but can demand more power and generate more noise. The included check valve is a practical addition that protects piping from backflow and can reduce wear on downstream components. User experience benefits from the wide range of adapters and the 26-foot cord, offering versatility across installation scenarios. List number 4. Pool cover pump above ground, submersible sump pump. This is another Aggie-Man entry at a similar price point to the 01 model, but in black. It emphasizes the same 850 GPH capability, with the same 25-foot cord and 16-foot drainage hose. The feature set mirrors the earlier Aggie-Man model, including ABS construction, IPX8 protection, and thermal protection. The design focuses on practical, low-cost operation with sufficient hose and nozzle options to support typical pool cover drainage tasks. In use, the black variant provides identical operational characteristics to its green counterpart, including the anti-twist drainage hose and compatibility with half-inch and three-quarter-inch fittings. It remains an excellent value for homeowners who need a straightforward, dependable pump without extra features. If your setup requires long pumping sessions or specialized discharge configurations, you might still prefer the premium models with higher flow or more robust materials.
List number 5. Doco Automatic Pool Cover Pump. The Doco model targets strong drainage with a 1/2 HP motor and a claimed 3200 GPH, delivered through a 1 1/2 inch NPT discharge and a 25-foot power cord. The unit emphasizes automatic on-off via a level sensor and includes a 90-degree outlet connector to direct flow as needed. Its 21 feet maximum lift and ceramic shaft design suggest attention to quiet operation and reliability under continuous use, with several adapters included to accommodate different discharge setups. In practice, the Doco pump balances strong performance with pragmatic features like debris straining screening at the base and a 90-degree outlet connector for directional flexibility. The automatic shutoff at 2/5 inch and activation at 4/5 inch helps minimize oversight, making it suitable for frequent routine cover pumping. Noise reduction from the ceramic shaft is a practical benefit